Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe is bitter gourd fry with dry coconut powder. Before I begin, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel right now and don't forget to click the bell icon for more interesting updates. This recipe is made with just a few ingredients: bitter gourd, dry coconut powder, turmeric. I already showed how to make dry coconut powder. I leave the link in the description box below. Please check it out. Wash and trim the edges of the bitter gourds, and no need to peel the skin to retain the fiber. And make sure to cut horizontal and vertically. Take one pan, add 2 tablespoons oil, heat oil and sprinkle turmeric powder and place bitter gourds. Close the lid and let them cook over low to medium flame until they are brown and roasted on all the sides. Keep turning them occasionally for even roasting and color. Sprinkle very little salt because we already added salt and chili powder in dry coconut powder. At this stage, add dry coconut powder. Mix well. Sprinkle some red chili powder and cook for 4 to 5 minutes on medium to low flame. Close the lid for about 2 to 3 minutes. And add 1 teaspoon ghee. Mix everything together. I personally like bitter gourd because of its taste and also because of its health benefits. It is packed with vitamin A and C, potassium, etc. It can also help reducing blood sugar and cholesterol levels. And now yummy and tasty bitter gourd fry with dry coconut powder recipe is ready to serve. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, you know what you have to do. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more and more beautiful recipes.